Hi guys, I'm putting something together for my grandma. Do 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 do. Ta-da! Never mind, Grandma, you can talk. The trays. That does everything. Okay, this doesn't look that hard to put together unless we're... Did you end up getting the screws out a long time ago?
No. Should all be here.
Oh, it is. Never mind. I didn't know that the screws were in the pipes. Okay. Oh, that makes it a tad bit easier. Okay, so we have a total of 3 of those, 2 of these, and 3 trays. And my cat is looking really cute, and my grandma is showing me the directions, so let me show you guys. Ow. Here it is. There. You guys can see how I'm all putting it together, putting screw on table. This is slightly hard doing it. How does it? Okay. I don't think it can go together. No, because they're supposed to be screws. These, I think, are the joists that the screws go into. We're missing the screw packet. That's why we can't put it together, because we're missing the screw packet. Yeah. Yeah. There's supposed to be a screw packet, and there isn't. Well, fudge.
Well, how about some screws from downstairs?
I don't know if we have the right size. We probably don't.
Oh, we must have.
Well, I'm not. I think they cheated you. Bye, guys.